Hi guys, welcome to Homemade Food. Thank you for stopping by today. Today we are going to cook flavorful, aromatic, nutritious and delicious minced chicken and veggies. For detailed recipe, please stay with us. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Heat up 300 grams butter or oil on low flame. Add 1 cup sliced onion, 3 tablespoons chopped garlic, and 3 tablespoons chopped ginger. Fry on medium flame till light golden. Add 1 kg minced chicken and fry for 8 to 10 minutes on medium to high flame till all liquid dries up completely. Add 1 cup sliced tomatoes and 1 sliced green chili. Add 1 cup green peas and 1 cup peeled and chopped potatoes. Fry for 3 minutes. Add half teaspoon turmeric powder, quarter teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon salt, quarter teaspoon ginger and garlic powder, 1 tablespoon chicken powder, quarter teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon black peppercorns, and few black cardamom. Fry for 3 minutes. Add half cup warm stock, mix it, cover with lid, and cook it on medium to low flame till liquid dries up completely and oil comes on surface. Add chopped mint leaves, coriander leaves, and chopped green chilies. Fry for 1 minute and turn off the flame. Flavorful, healthy, aromatic, nutritious, and delicious food is ready to serve now. We hope you will give it a try. Enjoy and share with your family, friends, and people around you. Stay blessed and give us your feedback. We will see you in our next video. Take a good care of yourself and people around you. Thanks for watching.